Hello students, welcome to the class on Entrepreneurship Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti. I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. In the introductory part of this particular lecture, I'll give you a brief idea about the types of entrepreneur. We have already discussed entrepreneurship, and are different characteristics that are required to be an entrepreneur. But this is a new term that is coming up, the types of entrepreneur. Well, there are different types of entrepreneur. And each entrepreneur has different ways of doing their own things on their own. However, of the different types of entrepreneur, not all the types of entrepreneur are effective. Therefore, we can understand by their behavior and the initiatives they take up as to what type of entrepreneur they are. In my upcoming presentation, I shall give you a detailed explanation about the types of entrepreneurs, from where you will be able to understand more about the different types and the type of activities those type of entrepreneurs are involved. Thank you very much.